Hello, trading is closed on August the 9th, 2022. Please review my disclaimer. This is my trading plan for tomorrow, August the 10th. My plan can change, my plan can be wrong. Any trades you make should be made at your own risk. Yesterday we called for the pattern with the early high, which is this, and tomorrow should also have the early high. We had an optional target, didn't have to print, it didn't, well forget it. We had another target, 41.44.13, we said unless we gap down smartly it should print, but we gapped down smartly, so it didn't have to print and we'll just add it to the list. We also said unless we gapped over this high we should see lower prices, and that worked. And here's what we said. During the day, MEJT said this move up wouldn't stick, that move wouldn't stick, that this drop wouldn't stick, and this drop wouldn't stick, and that's already played out. Every now and then we should remind ourselves where we are on the weekly chart. This is Tom DeMark's TDST line. It's a resistance area. The 89-week moving average is resistance. So you're having a big rally up to resistance. Doesn't mean you won't break through. Just means you're at resistance and caution's advised. There are ways to count this, which count this as an ABC, but I'm not going to claim that's the only count, so I certainly can't claim it's the right count. This pattern usually has a strong tendency to rally into the close. What counts isn't how we close, but tomorrow's open, so it has a strong tendency to gap up tomorrow and overtake today's high. But if it doesn't, it should be a straight line drop with a gap under today's low. And I don't tend to hold things overnight, so I don't have to guess the direction. Wednesday's pattern has a really high, we could still gap down. Today's pattern should feature a rally into the close or a straight line drop. Neither happened. It should be rectified by gapping smartly at tomorrow's open. My preferred wave count and the interpretation of the daily pattern both argue for gapping up. However, there's an economic report, I think it's the CPI, due before tomorrow's open. Could influence price action, I can't predict how, so I'm not going to risk any money in guessing the direction. I suspect it's going to be clear before the open in any event. So I'm anticipating the pattern with the early high. Strong gap opening. Odds favor higher, but if we drop big, I can explain that too. So I don't like to guess on those things. And that's today's call.